So you change your world, you change your hair and the clothes you wear and your pillow side. You changed your number and got some friends that I don't recognize. But I wonder sometimes, is it too late to try? If I change, would you change your mind? Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy this video, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials and videos in the future. This is how to play the new Keith Urban song, Change Your Mind. It's on his new album, it's his new single. I love this song. I actually didn't like it the first time I heard it, but I love this song. So let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo on there. If you guys have other song requests, please let me know. I'm trying to get to all of them. So I've got a little bit of a backlog going, but just know, I know some of you have been requesting them. I'm getting to them, I promise. So, as best as I can. So, all right, let's get into it. So, for this song, this is not a hard song to play. The strumming pattern is very easy. It's the same throughout the entire song, except for one part at the end, and I'll show you that part at the end, okay? So, for this song, the strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, that's the strumming pattern. So here's how the intro goes. The intro just goes C, A minor, and then A minor 7. A minor 7 is the same thing as A minor. You just lift up your ring finger. Okay, so you're gonna do C, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm doing it really slow for you, but it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, then A minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, then you go back into C. Okay, so you just do C, A minor 7, and then so for the verse you're just going to do that same thing. But what I would recommend doing is try to pluck or to strum the bottom 4 strings. Okay, so you're going to do D, G, B, and the little E. Okay, so you're going to do. That's going to be for the intro and for the verse. Okay, well for the intro part you can't do the whole thing. But for the verses, just do those bottom 4. In fact, if you can just do the bottom 3, that's what's on the best. But if it's a little bit hard, it's okay to do the bottom 4, the D string as well. Okay, so you're going to start with C. All right, in the verse, you're going to do C, A minor, D minor. Okay, and then G, and then you'll start over. But that's not the whole verse. That's just the first part of the verse. Okay, so you do. Let's see. I'm somewhere in Brooklyn. So you do C right before you say I'm somewhere in Brooklyn. We're thinking what could have been. We'll say to you in oh. Okay, then after the oh, you do A minor. Okay, oh. I don't want to call you, then I want to call you. I miss the old you. Oh. Okay, so after that O, then you do D minor. Okay, if you don't know D minor, it's just like that. Middle finger on the 2nd fret on the B string. Then you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you're going to put your pointer finger up there on the 1st fret on the little E string. Okay, just like that. Okay, so you hear that. So it's I miss the old you. Oh. Okay, then you're going to do that same thing. I think of a message to send. My phone is at 7%. Okay, so after percent you do G. When I go to try to reach you, I can never get through. Then you go back to C. Okay, so that's how you go first. Then you're gonna repeat that. Okay, so what you're gonna do is C, A minor, D minor, G for the first verse. Okay, the second verse is not exactly the same, so keep watching for that. Okay, so that way you can see this here. Okay, so then for the chorus. So at the end of the first verse, you're gonna do, you need a heart that better fits you. So you'll do that. You need a heart that better fits you. Then I mute, you don't have to, but I mute it there. So you change your world. So you don't start playing C until world, okay? So you're gonna do, so you change your world. Okay, so for this part, you can do the bottom ones or you can do the whole thing, okay? So you change your world. So on C, on world, you start playing C. You change your hair and the clothes you wear and your pillow side. Okay, then you go to A minor 7, and all you have to do, that's one of the easiest transitions ever. You just lift up your ring finger, okay? And your pillow side. So side is A minor 7, side. You change your number and got some friends that I don't recognize. Okay, so for that you do D minor 7. Okay, so for that I put my pointer finger on the first fret on the B. Okay, on the B and little E strings. Okay, and then you're gonna put your middle finger. Okay, then you're gonna put your middle finger. Forgetting it right now. All right, on the second fret on the B string. Okay, or sorry, on the G string. Okay, so that's on recognize that I don't recognize, but I wonder sometimes. So on sometimes you do D minor. Is it too late to try? So on late is where you're gonna do G. Late to try if I change. So after change, you'll just kind of do like a single strum and let it ring out. Would you change your mind? Okay, then you do the same. Then you are gonna start the same strumming pattern again, but you're gonna do C, A minor 7. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then you go back into it, okay? So you do emotionally stranded, left you abandoned, thank you, took you for granted, oh. Okay, then here you do A minor after O. So before I was telling you to do, oh no, that's right, it's A minor. So you do A minor here again, okay? So I'm having to look at my notes. So you're gonna do A minor. All right, for that part, after the first chorus, when you go into the, so it's first verse, it's emotionally stranded, C, and then the next you go to A minor after the oh. Okay, then you're gonna go into, and I should have listened, showed my commitment when you were drifting, when you said we were drifting, oh. Okay, then you do D minor again. If we could live in reverse, go to the part where it hurt. Okay, then you do G. I'd go and fix the little issue before they got too big. Okay, now here's where the difference comes in. All right, so for that part, and you could play it the same way. I don't think it's how like they play it on the album, but you could do it the same way. So, but I think this is how it actually goes. So it's you do the C, A minor. So is this on your way to try not to remember me, oh. Okay, then A minor. So the end. So when you go to the D minor, you're gonna do, let's see, a beautiful disguise. So you're not who you were with me, oh. Okay, then D minor. But I think I know you so well. Okay, so after well, then you're gonna do D minor 7. Okay, so well. Okay, then you do enough that I think I can tell. Okay, then G. So that's the difference. Is before you were just doing D minor, that through those two lines. Now you're gonna do D minor 7 on the second one, where it's enough that I think I could tell. Then you go to G. Are you afraid to say you miss me? Then you go to the chorus again. Cause you change your world. Okay, so you're gonna do that. So then after the chorus, all right, you're gonna keep. So you go to C. Would you change your mind? Okay. Then you go to A minor. Oh yeah. Change your mind. Okay, then for the solo, you're gonna do D minor 7. Okay, then G. Yeah, you change your world. Okay, so that's how you play that. Now the outro, sorry, for the first part of the last chorus, you're just gonna do single strums. This is what I was talking about earlier. Yeah, you change your world. So in world is where you do C. You change your hair and the clothes you wear and your pillows side. Okay, so side is A minor. Side. Change your number and got some friends that I don't recognize. So for this part, I would just be doing the bottom parts, but now you're gonna start strumming it like you were before. But I would just do the bottom 3 strings. I'd really focus on that. Okay, that I don't recognize, but I wonder sometimes, is it too late to try? Would I change? Would you change your mind? Okay, now for the outro, it's very easy. All you're gonna do is the A. Oh. Change your mind. So then you just do C, okay, A minor, okay, and then you're gonna do C again, and then A minor again, and then I would just end it like that. Only sometimes. Okay, that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.